What's going on YouTube? I just finished up some nighttime topwater bass fishing with my fly rod, a little ultralight bass fishing. Stay tuned to this video. We caught a couple bass, caught a couple sunfish, and stay tuned to the end to see what happens and why I'm calling it quits, even though there's some bass jumping right behind us. It's a good first video. You guys aren't gonna want to miss it. Stay tuned. I'm just one right there. I think I'm setting the hook too hard, not gonna lie. Gotta give him a second to eat and then set, cause that last one, that looked like a good eat. This one right there. I think they're all a little bluegill. They have to be, because they're not eating it. There we go. Small little bass, but there's number one. Yeah, a little dink. Little dinky. Oh, come here. On the fly rod, on a little 3-weight. Not a big guy. Probably like a third of a pound, quarter pound, tiny guy. Oh, there's a bigger bass right there. Oh, I just spooked a bigger bass. Dang it. There are some decent bass apparently in here. I know that there's big carp here, but I don't like carp actually, because they, as far as I know, they eat all the eggs and they make any pond a lot worse. If you have grass carp or koi in them, there's a pond next to my house that I grew up in that a couple there added koi to the pond, and just over time throughout the years that spot has gotten worse and worse. So as far as I know, they eat the eggs and they do not allow the spawn. They do not allow the fish to spawn as well. So I'm not a fan of carp or any of those guys, koi or nothing in any fishing spots. If you want to put them in your own private fish pond, be my guest, but keep them out of public waters and keep them out of nature. There's an invasive species that destroys everything. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. Yeah, not nice. Oh, he got beat. Oh, he got eaten by another bass. Oh, did you see that? Look at, there's another bass. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the big bass right there. The big bass is trying to eat the small guy. Oh, can I get him to come back? Look at the big guy. He's right there under him. Yeah, little guy's scared. He's not liking that. Oh, that's crazy. I've never seen that before. Bigger bass. Look at him. I don't know if you can see, the big bass is trying to eat him. He's right there under him. Oh, the big bass got him. Nah, he let him go. Alright, that's enough of that. Man, you don't see it though. He did bite him, but this is a nice little fat bass. Looks good. I want one of those bigger ones. He ate like a big one. That's what I thought. The bass trying to eat him was what I thought I just caught, but we'll see. If anybody's curious, I'm fishing a 7.5 foot 3-weight combo. Little light, kind of like an ultra light fly. I have a 6.5 foot 2-weight as well, a glass rod. That's a little buttery. That's like a little noodle. Like you guys missed, I was ripping out bluegills or the bass. I'm just taking out the water. That 2-weight's not like that. That thing's a little noodle. Oh, there we go. Not even doing anything. Not a small one, I guess. Yeah, not a big one. They're just eating on the paws and giving us, time. And it's the biggest one today. Not a big one at all, but the biggest one today. A little half pounder or something. Little dink. Thanks, guy. All right, good to know. I like it sitting out there. I mean, I think it's falling from the sky or whatever, but that's the second one I've gotten. A couple seconds of it hitting the water, just not doing anything. If anyone's curious, this one I'm throwing a little MF. I don't know what it stands for. A little MFC popper. Pretty good popper. Just lost one right there. There we go. Another small one. Oh, bigger one, I think. No, it's a bluegill. What? Yeah, it's a bluegill. A hard-fighting bluegill. I think how they eat this thing, like for real. Size of their mouth. Little dink. It's not bad. Like 4 or 5 so far. Second bluegill. We got 3 bass, I think. And we got some tangles. Wherever this is. Oh. Oh, there we go. That's a nice one, I think. No, never mind. Okay, whatever. He's a thing. Let him swim away. Come here. They're all the same size. Oh, little dink. Okay. Ow. Hit myself in the butt. Try that again. Oh, really? I snapped off? I think I hooked myself and I snapped off, but thankfully I could see it. Right here. Am I not broke? Huh. That's not good. Let's get a little freighter from bass or something. Quick retie. Clinch knot or whatever the heck this is called. Best knot. I always tie a clinch knot and polymer knot, really. I think those are the names. One's for braids, one's for mono, and then if I need to have I could tie a FG knot, which is a braid to braid. Blood knot, or sorry, FG knot, which is best from mono to braid, or like braid to fluoro. There's blood knot, which is good for like leader to leader or braid to braid. And there's also the Alberto knot, which is kind of like a box, which isn't bad, just not a great. It's a little bigger than the other ones. So we tried that. All right, let's get back out there. There's something messing with us, so I want him. Oh, that's a nice one, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's the biggest one of the day right there. Swallowed that whole fly. I don't think I could flip him with this rod. Yeah, no, definitely not. There we go. It's the best one so far. Swallow the whole fry. Whole fly. Right down his mouth. Biggest one so far. Not a big one, but not bad either. And if I can get farther back towards that fallen bush or whatever. I was hearing some pops go off there earlier. It was kind of a hard spot to cast. I definitely can't cast that far. And I don't think I'm gonna have any. Oh, I'm not paying attention. Awkward. Missed the fish right there. But yeah, I might be able to get back there, I think. But I know I can go down that wall to the right. And I think there'll be some good action over there if I fish those weeds. Oh, I snapped off. Are you kidding me? No. No. And there goes a popper. That was, I think, the nice one today. I guess I hit him too hard. Yep. Broke me off. Well, guess that's it for today.